At the bottom of this silent, fog-covered lake, a legend has been sleeping for years. A Bugatti Veyron, once the pinnacle of engineering, now a relic of rust and algae. Today, we begin the impossible task, pulling it from the abyss. The journey from the lakebed to the workshop starts now. Welcome to the operating table. This is where the resurrection happens. First, we peel back the layers of time and neglect. Inside, nothing is salvageable. We're stripping it down to the bare bones. The heart of the beast is removed, a masterpiece of engineering buried in silt. Every bolt tells a story of survival. Every gear is a battle against decay. We're cutting away the rot and replacing it with strength. Precision is everything. We won't stop until the surface is perfect. In the sterile light of the paint booth, the Veyron's soul begins to return. Component by component, the W16 is reborn. Stronger, cleaner, faster. The moment of truth. The heart is returned to the body. Luxury is restored. From hand-stitched leather to new flawless glass, she's no longer a wreck. She's a masterpiece once more. Behold, the resurrected Bugatti Veyron. From the depths of the lake to the freedom of the road. Legend reborn. A miracle of engineering. Years in the making. Subscribe for more incredible automotive engineering stories.